Do you ever look back at photos of yourself and think, what was I doing with my hair? Me too. Summer after summer, I'd sit in that barber chair and I'd ask for a cleanup. But clean doesn't always mean better. The truth is, most guys are playing defense with their hair, trying to hide a cowlick, trying to tame the puffy sides, asking to fade it so tight that it disappears entirely. That's what I used to do. I was in military school in Brazil, so I got used to going as tight as possible on the sides. And when I got out, I kept a similar hairstyle. A very short quiff up top and faded sides for years. I thought I had terrible hair and I was fighting it. I had never actually learned what to do with it until I decided to let it grow one year, and it changed my life. This video is a sign for you to do the same. Stop fighting your hair and start working with it. If you never let your hair grow, you will never know what actually looks best on you. When you look at pictures of male models, what do you get? Men with soft hairstyles. Not hard fades, no precision tapers, mostly middle parts and messy quiffs. Just last week, I went to see my guy Jerome here in New York City, and this is the haircut I asked for.
All right, Jerome, so I want like a flowy hairstyle with loads of texture. Not too much shorter than this. I actually want to let it grow a little bit longer, even the sides too. So just a scissor cut and keep it like messy, effortless, you know. And I don't want it to be perfect. I don't want it to be like a perfect middle part. I just want it to be more natural, careless.
You want a haircut that enhances your natural texture. Waves, curls, volume, and it turns it into something effortless and unique. It's not just a haircut. It's your image. It's your identity. Think Timothée Chalamet, Charles Leclerc, Elvis Presley, David Beckham, or any K-pop star. Their hairstyles are iconic. There's a reason these guys get copied. It's not just genetics, it's structure, it's balance, it's movement. That wave in the front could be your best feature. That extra length on the sides could give your jawline some balance, but you're never gonna see it if you keep chopping it all off. And let's be honest, if you're in your 20s and 30s and still trying to figure out your signature look, how are you gonna find it if you've only had one haircut? That's why I've had so many. I've truly tried them all just to see what worked best for me. And I'll probably keep trying new hairstyles just for fun. A lot of guys are scared to grow their hair because of the in-between phase, the awkward phase. But that's when you learn what works. You have to experiment. You have to try new parts, new lengths, new products, and unfortunately, new hairstylists, which I know isn't easy, but it's a necessity if you want to upgrade your looks. You see, barbershops have spent decades perfecting razor-sharp fades, but soft, longer cuts, like the middle part flow, for example, that's a different craft. It's not just clippers, it's scissor work, layering, shaping. It requires restraint. It requires knowing when to cut and when to let the hair do its thing. So instead of looking for a barber, look for a hairstylist. I know it sounds odd, but you need to go to a men's salon for this type of hairstyle. Typically, a men's barbershop won't be as skilled with scissors as they are with clippers. And that's exactly what we did here in my latest haircuts. No clippers, just scissors and the right hair products. Most guys have been using the same cheap brands for years, but that won't work if you want great hair. Jerome styled my hair with the Forte sea salt spray first. It smells incredible, fresh, clean, not overpowering, and it gives your hair that effortless, just got back from the beach texture. You only need a few sprays, and then use your hands to spread it through your damp or towel-dried hair. Here's why I like to use sea salt spray. It adds volume to fine or flat hair. It enhances your natural wave or curl pattern. It has a natural finish instead of a stiff look. It's lightweight, so your hair still moves and doesn't get greasy like heavy gels or pastes. Then to finish the style, he applied a bit of the Forte hairstyling cream. Now this locks in the shape while adding a healthy, natural looking shine. There's no crunchiness, no stiffness, just soft hold and definition. Hairstyling creams are ideal when you want a natural finish that doesn't look overstyled. Frizz control and moisture, especially if you have dry hair. If you want controlled hair that still has movement, that's not stiff. And if you want a product that works with your hair, not against it. The combo of sea salt spray and styling cream is one of my go-tos, especially for this type of flowy hairstyle, because the result is natural texture. No hard lines, no crispy fade, just clean, flowy movement. The kind of hairstyle that gets better as the day goes on. And that's what this is really about. Letting go of the old habits, the default haircuts, the fear of change, and stepping into a version of yourself that's a little more elevated, more intentional. Because the truth is, your hair isn't just hair. It's a part of your identity. And when you find a style that works with your natural features, not against them, it changes the way that you carry yourself. People notice. You notice. So if you've been thinking about switching things up, this is your sign. Let your hair grow a bit. Try a new part. Use products that actually bring out your hair best qualities, not ones that just glue it into place. And if you're finally ready for an upgrade, then try the sea salt spray and styling cream that I used in this video. I made these products for guys like us, guys who understand the power of self-image, who know that you only get one shot at a first impression. I'm linking the Forte products in the description below. Make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what hairstyle you're rocking this summer. I'll see you in the next one.